Welcome to the Ordinary Guy Garage. I'm Scott, Ordinary Guy. And today we got a review on a Harbor Freight welding cart. So hang tight. All right, so here it is. This is the Harbor Freight welding cart, I believe is what they call it, for holding the oxygen and acetylene tanks. Now, I paid, it was selling for $59 or something like that, and I got a 20% discount. It cost me 48 bucks. So for the price, you know, I'm pretty satisfied with it. I'm not a professional. This is just my shop that I work on my own stuff in. And the thing is I've had these here. Well, actually I had the propane, or the oxygen with the propane bottle for years, and works fine. But I really wanted to get it on a cart, and the bottles together, unless I make a cart, it doesn't fit. You know, the propane bottle shape just won't fit. So I got an acetylene bottle. It's a little bit neater set up that way. But for years I had this over here, right where my welder is here. It sat there against the wall, and I couldn't move it. Well, I mean, I could, but it was really a pain in the butt to move it. And then winding up the hose after I was done was kind of a pain too. So anyways, that's why I bought the cart. So, in looking at it, you know, in putting it together, I noticed a few things here. But the wheels, you know, they're bicycle tires, which, you know, over time they're going to lose air, and I'm going to have to pump them up whenever I move it. I'm pretty sure that's how it goes, and being it's Harbor Freight, that'll probably happen. These here are just a push-on cap that holds the whole wheel on. So there's no like retaining pin or cotter pin, no nut, no nothing like that. So these are held on just by the cap, was what holds the wheel on. So everything else, you know, you have to assemble it. The axle you have to put in yourself and bolt it up. This back piece swivels, so when you move it, or swings, so when you move it around, you know, your stuff doesn't fall out, which is pretty cool, you know. A lot easier to wind up the core or the hose on here with the handle like that. The other thing about this, and I'd read it when I was reading the reviews on it, people were saying the straps for holding the tanks in are junk. And, you know, really that class or that thing, I can bend it with my hand, you know, just so easily bent, you know. And, you know, that's not really, it just holds the core or the strap. But still, that'll give you an idea how sturdy this is. And the strap itself is nothing. So I figured that will probably fray and come apart in no time, so I didn't use them. I only hung on to them so I can make a video with them, but I'm going to throw those away. What I did use is I actually had a piece of an old or a short ratchet strap that I put on here. Just hooked it on one side, looped it through the center, hooked it on the other one, wrapped it, and you know, it holds on there pretty good. So anyways, there it is. My opinion, for 48 bucks, can't go wrong. It's cheaper than it would be to build one. It's already painted, looks nice. Yeah, 48 bucks, I'd say go for it. All right, well, there you have it. Welding cart, 48 bucks, well worth the money. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time, my friends, and stay safe.